Hey, what's going on YouTube? What's happening, guys? We have some huge Amazon merch news for you guys today. Amazon merch has rolled out a multi-product uploader. The beta testing actually rolled out today, March 26th. And essentially what this means is Amazon merch is getting a little bit more like Redbubble in the sense that you can upload multiple products at one time. So one of the kind of the complaints that a lot of us had about merch is, you have to upload every product individually. If I have a design of a palm tree and I want to upload it to a standard tee, a premium tee, a long sleeve, a hoodie, a nudie, and a pop socket, I have to go through the upload process 6 different times, as opposed to a platform like, say, Redbubble or Society6, or really most of the others, where you upload your design once, and in the case of Redbubble, it goes on like 54 products all at once. And yeah, you can like drag the images around and resize them a little bit, but essentially it's one step to upload a product or a design to like 54 products. So Amazon has actually rolled that out, and what's kind of interesting about this, let's see, what was the date here? Today's the 26th. So on the 21st, about 5 days ago, I made this video. You guys see this guy with the tinfoil hat here. And the video was called Amazon Merch Uploads Show Pending Approval. Put on your tinfoil hats. What does it mean? And not everybody saw this happen to their accounts, but a lot of us saw on our Amazon merch accounts when we would upload a shirt, it would go into kind of a processing, and then it would say pending your approval, and we had to go in and approve each one of these individually. And we've talked before, like when Amazon split up the monthly payment into three payments before Amazon Germany and Amazon UK rolled out, that was kind of a sign of what's to come, right? Because a couple weeks after that, Amazon UK and DE rolled out, and it came out in 3 payments. So whenever something goofy happens with Amazon, a lot of times it's kind of an indication or a clue of something to come. And just 5 days ago, I made this video kind of speculating, and I kind of thought it meant something like this. And then sure enough, today, I happen to see this, 326. I didn't feel like having to go to my dashboard, so this is just kind of a clip of it. To save you time, we are launching a product creation beta, allowing you to publish multiple products in multiple marketplaces with a single submission. We will enable beta access on a rolling basis starting today. When an account is enabled, the new navigation tab option will appear at the top of the merch portal. Please note that we will not be able to provide updates on access for individual accounts. So I personally don't have this yet, and I'm at tier 4,000. Let me know if you guys do. If you go into the Amazon Resources tab, they kind of show us some screenshots of exactly what this is going to look like. So that they go on to say, what is changing? Merch is offering a special creation beta, allowing you to publish multiple products in multiple marketplaces with a single submission. So it looks like we'll be able to publish to pretty much all products. They're not showing pop sockets here, but we got standard tee, premium tee, long sleeve sweatshirt, and hoodie. And it sounds like we'll be able to upload to all 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of these products at once. Plus, it sounds like we'll be able to upload across Amazon UK and DE as well. Why are we making this change? We're streamlining the product creation process to make it as quick and easy as possible to use the same artwork and metadata to create multiple products. So no more having to upload 6 files, no longer having to write 6 bullet points, titles, descriptions. That's going to put a lot of these speed uploader tools out of business because they're not really needed anymore. And this is what it's going to look like. So if you log into your account, you should see a create/beta there, and you can upload a single product just like you would before, or you can upload multiple products, which is this new beta test that they're running. How is the new product creation workflow different? Instead of uploading an artwork file, adding metadata for each product in each marketplace, the new process will apply artwork and metadata to the available product in each marketplace. To distinguish products, we will append the product name to your title. For instance, if your design is titled "I really love cats, okay," we will add the words t-shirt at the end of the t-shirt, so it will display as "I really love cats, okay, t-shirt." So you don't no longer need to write hoodie, t-shirt. I mean, Amazon kind of told us not to do this from the beginning, but you don't need to write t-shirt or shirt anymore. I'm guessing this is going to be kind of similar to Redbubble, where you can kind of drag the file around to get it centered exactly how you want it. And then you can have all the details be the same, or if you wanted to customize the bullet point titles or description for one product, it looks like you could do that as well. Here's what the product details will look like. We'll have a brand, a title, bullet points, and description again. What product names will you append to each product? US, UK, DE, t-shirts, t-shirt. Hoodies, pullover hoodie, sweatshirt, sweatshirt. Okay, so that's what they're going to add on at the end. Can I submit to Amazon.com, Amazon.co.uk, and Amazon.de at the same time? Yes. Do I still need to create separate artwork for the front image of the hoodies created through the multiple product workflow? Yes, all current image size requirements will remain the same. Let's see if I'm publishing. Okay, so they say for Germany, you will need to translate your own text. Although I've talked about in some other videos, Amazon has been automatically translating text for some of my shirts. Can I use different titles, brands, or descriptions for each product? No. If you want to use if you want to use individual titles, you'll need to upload individually. Can I choose a different list price for each product? Yes, so you can select different prices. If I submit multiple designs, will I get one email? So you will get separate emails. So if you upload a t-shirt and it goes on 5 different products, you will get 5 confirmations emails. If a design is submitted to the multiple beta. Okay, so even though you're uploading all at once, they'll be treated individually. So if you upload a shirt that violates policy, it's going to violate policy across 5 products. So that could be kind of a negative thing. If you're doing like a weed shirt or a really controversial shirt, maybe start with one, make sure it goes up, make sure it gets through approval, and then go with the rest after the fact. Will all the existing product creation features be available in the beta version? Pop sockets will not be available in beta, so it looks like we'll be able to do everything but pop sockets. Just reading through, seeing if anything else is worth mentioning here. Okay, so yeah, that's really kind of all the big news. This is huge news for merch. I just wanted to get on and make a quick video. I'm in the middle of watching an episode of The Americans with my girlfriend, so she was just yelling at me, so I better get back to it. But just wanted to get this video out. This is probably one of the biggest pieces of merch news, the biggest update we've had for Amazon merch in a long time, and quite possibly of all time. I would say this and the cuss words allowed on shirts, along with hoodies being added. Those are probably some of the 3 larger changes we've seen, or some of the 3 bigger pieces of news. But actually Amazon merch advertising as well. But yeah, this is huge news. Let me know what you guys think about this. I think this is probably long overdue. You know, Redbubble and everyone else has been doing it for a long time. But really glad to see this come out. You know, a lot of us have been struggling to upload. I think I'm able to upload like 400 shirts a day. And it's almost not possible to do it uploading one at a time. And we're not allowed to outsource it. And we're not allowed to use automation tools. So yeah, this change is long overdue. This should really kind of help us fill those slots. Again, I don't personally have it yet. I'm at tier 4,000. If you guys want to drop, you know, in the comment section below, what tier are you and do you have it yet? But I'll let you guys know when I get it. Maybe I'll give you guys a little bit of a walkthrough, but it's kind of cool. We're able to kind of see screenshots and what this is going to look like. So if you enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up. If you're not subscribed to the channel, hit that subscribe button down below. I'm going to run, guys, and I will catch you on the next video.